Hey guys, this is Fettucine Alfredo, veganized. Now, if you go to Italy and ask for Fettucine Alfredo, they're probably not going to know what you're talking about. This is very much an Italian-American dish. They do make something similar with just the pasta water and the Parmigiano Reggiano, but I was taught to make Fettucine Alfredo when I was still a vegetarian, the way they do in restaurants here, with heavy whipping cream, real cow butter, and Parmigiano Reggiano, and lots of cracked black pepper. So what I have done here is substituted the homemade turnstile butter for the cow butter, and the cashew cream for the heavy whipping cream, and the aged Parmesan cheese. Now, if you don't want to make the aged Parmesan, the Violife will work fine. I've done it with Violife cheese too. And I did have to stop and think about what the quantities were, because when I make this, I just go by eye. So I will have a recipe developed for it, and in the description box I will link to the previous video, the playlist with the using homemade vegan dairy foods and recipes, links to the Parmesan video, the butter video, and the cream video, and the blog, which will have the recipe. And now it should be cool enough that I've already tasted it before I plated it and sprinkled extra black pepper on it, freshly cracked black pepper. So I know it's good, but I'll taste it anyway. It's so yummy. It's so rich and creamy, and so complex considering the simple ingredients. I mean, basically, I melted the butter and the cheese. Sorry, the black pepper always makes me sneezy and gives me a runny nose. I'll try not to sniffle anymore. I need a hanky when I do these. While the pasta is cooking, I melted the butter and sprinkled the black pepper, some of the black pepper in, and grated the cheese in until it melted, and then once the pasta was nearly cooked, I spooned up a little bit of the pasta water and mixed it in, turned the saucepan on to medium heat, well, actually it was low heat by the time the pasta was nearly cooked. When the pasta's ready, you put the pasta in the sauce, and then you put the cashew cream in like a couple tablespoons at a time. You cook a little bit of it, but you want to finish it off with fresh uncooked cream, so you want to turn the heat off and dish it up as soon as you mix the cream in, because you don't want the cream to get too starchy. That's the key to how nice this is. Some of it's starchy and it blends with the butter and the cheese, and some of it stays smooth and creamy. So this is pretty simple, guys. I think you should try it. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for watching, especially if you watch till the end. Thanks for liking, and I'll see you later, guys.